everyone, hope you all are doing good. So I'm getting a lot of messages that I am not consistent in posting YouTube videos. So for some reason I plan out, but I'm not able to shoot the video. So I thought, why not today do a quick balcony tour for you all. So my balcony is small, but I've tried to utilize the space, and that's my favorite corner. And let me take you on a tour. So I get a very good sunlight in my balcony, and I can clearly see the sunset view from here. We start from here. So I have put a grass mat here. So here is where my kids sit and play, and yes, I have used a plastic chair. So this is a very good option for your outdoor seating, and something which is in the budget. And yeah, this is the pillow that I have placed now. Usually I don't keep pillows here because when it rains it gets really wet. Yeah, so there I have repainted that bird cage and used it as a planter. And this is the side table that I found in a thrift store at just rupees 200, and initially this was in a pastel pink color. I repainted it and installed the glass on top. So this just costed me 400 rupees. Quite a deal, right? And yeah, here I have used something on the wall. I don't know what it's exactly called. Anyways, this I bought at just 350 rupees from the local market. So there are a lot of stuff that you can find in a small shops at a very good price. Yeah, here again I have repainted this basket that I got as a gift, and this is the rosemary, and this is just a fake plant in a lantern. And yeah, so this is how it looks, a very tiny teeny balcony. And this is the other side of my balcony. So here where we have kept this, because we had no option of putting it on the wall, so it's here. So I've used the space to arrange few of my pots. And this is my lemongrass, my recent addition to my balcony garden. And I don't know, for some reason this plant is not doing well. Maybe I haven't repotted it properly. And here it's my snake plant, which is thriving really well. And that's two hanging planters, in which I have this, I think this is arrowhead plant, and this aloe vera. Even this is the new addition to my balcony garden. And there I have, I think this is called crotons, which is doing quite well. I am very good at killing plants, so hoping that these plants thrive. This is where I see all the trains going, and I love watching trains. And this is where we see the sunset. It's 5 p.m. now, and look at the clouds. I love the view from my balcony.